Hey my loves, what's up and welcome back to the Trend Diaries. I'm Nidhi and in today's video I'll be trying out something very unique and different for the first time, and I'm quite excited. So I got this stick-on bra from Zivame and it is basically an invisible bra, and I'm quite excited to see whether this actually works or not. And if it does work, bro, this would be a boon for girls out there. And Zivame is having their Trying Something New with Zivame sale from 20th of May, and this is the best time to try something new, something exciting, something that you always wanted to try, because the deals are irresistible. They're having up to 50% off, free shipping, cash on delivery is available, and easy 15-day return or exchange policy. You can also get additional 10% off if you use my code NidhiZivame during checkout. So I'm quite excited about today's haul, so let's begin. So this box right here has all of the quirky lingerie items that I've tried this time for myself, and I'm quite excited. So the very first one is this stick-on bra from Zivame. Just look at it first. The shape in itself is so unique. So this is that kind of bra which would, go with any kind of outfit. It is just like an invisible bra because it just has sticky sides on the cup regions, as well as it has these wings that add support to the edges, and it has a deep cut right in the center, so it gives you a nice cleavage. And this is the kind of bra that you would want to wear with deep neck tops or plunging neckline tops, and this works best with backless tops because you get that freedom to rock your back. And this is just so perfect. It not only has the sticky padding given right here, but it also has wire support given right underneath the cups. You can see it is having this sticky adhesive given which just holds on to your breast, and it would provide the support. Plus it also has wiring given right underneath the cups, which again add to the support. Now I am 34C, but I usually go a cup size down, especially when it comes to strapless bras, because then there is no room for any movement and I get more support. So even in this one I went for a size 34B instead of 34C, and to be true, I tried it on. It just works so perfectly, and I love this because I can wear this with my deep cut blouses, and it just looks perfect. It is quite secure and definitely you can walk around with this. This won't come off. I would rate it a 4 out of 5. Let me know if you've tried this also. Next up, I got these two transparent strap bras, as these would be perfect to go with halter neck tops, or you can also pair these with off-shoulder tops or even with blouses which are having fancy necklines, because this just works perfectly, and that is what I got it for. So the very first one is this black t-shirt bra. This had so many color options available, and in this the shoulder straps as well as the back strap, all the three straps are transparent, and so it gives you the freedom to basically wear anything. And that is how it looks like. It is lightly padded, non-wired, and it is very comfortable. I really loved it. You can see at the back side it is having the transparent strap, so it is giving you the freedom to wear backless as well. So I really love this bra too. This is in the size 34C. So the next bra I got is this one, a very beautiful lavender color. Now this is basically a double layered normal cotton bra. It is not padded, non-wired, very comfortable, and they're having thin bands right here, the shoulder ones, and at the back you do get this kind of same colored band as well as a transparent one. So basically you can wear this with your blouses or anything that is backless. It will give you that freedom, and if you want you can just use the colored one as well. If you have something with a deeper neckline, you can use that too. It would be just perfect. And yes, that was very inexpensive too, so that was the next bra that I got. Next is another kind of bra which I was really shy to try out, to be true, but I got this one. So this is the super lacy kind of bra which is double layered. You can see it is quite cute and intricate cutting detailings given on the bra with this kind of bag. Now this is again that basic kind of lace bra, very comfortable to wear, and again this can just oomph up your look. Also this bra has an inbuilt shaper panel which just gives a nice defined look to your bust, and it is super comfortable to wear, to be true, and I really like this experiment. So that was the next bra that I got. Next up I have two t-shirt bras, because to be true you can never really have enough of these. These come in so handy and they just look gorgeous. So this is the first one and my favorite out of all that I got today. So that is how the bra looks like. It has this floral detailing and it is padded, it is non-wired, extremely comfortable for daily wear with the back like that. And the best part is that the shoulder straps are kind of different. So basically the strap is split into two, so it just looks so good like that. I just love this, and the support, the coverage, everything is just bomb. I love the comfort to be true of this one. So that was the first one. The second t-shirt bra I got is this pink toned one. Again, it is having a padded cups, non-wired, extremely comfortable with hot pink straps, which just adds up. And yeah, something different again. I'm not really used to trying very colorful bras, and that is how the back side of the bra looks like. It is very soft, very comfortable, and gives you a good 3/4 coverage. So yes, that was the next bra. Lastly, in lingerie I got these two lace hipster panties. These give full rear coverage and they have wide sides. Basically hipster panties, they give you full back coverage, and they have this lace detailing given right on top. I got myself the size small. The material is extremely soft and stretchy. I loved the material. You do get two hues of pink in this. Definitely a must buy again. Moving to the activewear category, I picked up these leggings. I got the size large. These are from Velocity and that is how they look like. So they do have medium compression and those are the kind of pants. I really like the quality. They are very stretchable and very good for like medium intensity kind of workout. So I got this one. Moving on to night suits, and the very first one is this. This is in the size medium. I think I would exchange it to a size smaller, which is small, because that would be more great. So that is how the t-shirt looks like. It says I need some space, and with this the pants are this Persian blued elasticated, and it has all of this quirky space kind of printing given all over the front and back. The material is really soft. It is full length, just perfect. So that was the first night suit I got. The next full length nightwear suit I got is this pretty pink colored. So it has this pig print all over. It was so cute. I was just drawn to it. So again, that is the kind of top that you get. Very comfortable and very rich cotton material, must say, and the print is really cute of piggies all over. And with this you do get these elasticated pants. Again, they have drawstrings and pockets and the same kind of pink colored pig print all over the front and back. Very pretty. I really love the quality, must say. This is one of the softest night suit I own till date. Then I have one of their nightwear sleep dresses. It is just kind of a long t-shirt style, and that is how it looks like. It is having this kind of half sleeves, and the quirky print again is all related to studies. It has books, pen and all of that stuff. Just reminds me of school time. This night dress also has pockets right here and it just hits around the knees. Super comfortable, super soft material. I really loved this one. And then I have this t-shirt and short set. So the t-shirt is this grey colored v-neck one with a random print right there. Again, very soft material, and with this you do get these velvet maroon colored shorts. These are like super soft, super soft, and I really loved how cozy these are, especially for the rainy like winter time. This is the kind of material I would love to sleep in because these are like so makhmali soft, you know. So yes, those are the shorts. I really loved the quality, and I also saw a new addition to their sari shapewear that Zivame is famous for, and the best part is that it comes in dual tone. So basically it's the reversible sari shapewear wherein you can just switch up the colors. So you just pay for one but basically get two sari shapewears. That is like so cost effective, and I really love their sari shapewear. The comfort and the hourglass figure those sari shapewear give, it's just wow. They have different color variants like the beige and mustard colored one. They also had this red and pink and blue and black variant, so you can basically just reverse it and use it. My parcel is yet to arrive, so I couldn't show it in this one, but surely in my next haul I would show you the reversible sari shapewear as well. Yes, that was my Zivame haul, and I've literally like stepped out of my comfort zone this time, especially with the lingerie section. Let me know what new new are you planning to try this time from Zivame? And don't forget to check out, they're trying something new with Zivame sale from 20th of May. They're having offers like up to 50% off, free shipping, cash on delivery is available, and they're having easy 15-day exchange or return policy. And you can also get additional 10% off if you use my code NidhiZivame. And you can also download the Zivame app. I would have the app download link in the description box along with all of the product codes, so do check that out. And I shall meet you soon in the next video. Till then, take care, namaste, and keep trending.